Welcome to Ask the Experts, a brand new piece of content I'm doing exclusively right here in the Creative Cashflow Plus to make sure that all your questions not only get answered, but get answered in depth, in great detail that's going to allow you to get the most value from being right here, okay? So thank you very much for being a member. If you find this useful, you know what to do, okay? Just go, give us a review, tell a friend about the app, and let's get as many people in this special niche community as possible. So today I'm going to be answering one of Danny Baines' questions, and that is, I know Danny's just got your first deal, so well done, mate. He said, should I use a channel manager for my essay? If so, which is the best one? And that's a fantastic question, because when you're setting up your first unit, you don't necessarily need a channel manager because it's not that much admin to sort of manage Airbnb. To be honest with you, Airbnb may be enough on its own, but let's just say Airbnb and Booking.com. It's not that hard to manage them independently. So technically you don't need a channel manager, but it depends on your mindset and your, where your head's at. It also depends on your investment level. So when I started, I like to do things properly. So on my first essay, I did sign up with a channel manager and I did it properly because I was super scared and anxious that it wasn't going to work. And since then, I've done deals and sometimes I've been lazy and I've used a channel manager less than I should have. At the point I'm at now where I've got over 25 serviced accommodation units alone, not to mention the HMOs, I cannot afford not to have a channel manager, because I've got so many different properties that I need filling and I need so many systems and I need everything in one place. So should you get a channel manager on your first deal? I think if you've got money and you want to invest and do it, do it right from day one, sure, okay? Why not? If your money is low, skip it, okay? Just skip it. What I think could be a good idea is maybe initially smash it on Airbnb, turn the instant book off and see how things go. If you start rolling in loads of bookings, then keep the costs down, keep the systems down, keep your learning curve low, and just keep it simple. Because when you do have a channel manager, as I just discussed, one of the downsides is that you must have instant book on. So guests, even with Airbnb, are allowed to just book instantly and they get approved. So if your systems aren't right, it could be Sunday evening, 6 p.m, you get a booking, the property needs to be ready, you've not managed to get it clean from Saturday and you're stuck. So I personally think, look, if you've got a lot of money and if you're looking to scale big and if you're quite handy on tech and you're up for doing it, sure. But if not, just bang it on Airbnb and see how you get on. The next step is to bang it on Booking.com and see how you get on. So it's on both. And you'll need to just keep tracks of the calendars or link those two calendars. Really, really important. And then once you've got a flavor for the demand, then you can make a decision. As to which is the best channel manager, I've tried a few, but I'm not going to share the one I'm with right now because I know too many people are going to join and they're not paying me for this stuff. But if you DM me and you want to know, I have got a referral link for the channel manager. I will introduce you. I've tried a few. It's my favorite so far, and I think it's really, really good. So I hope you found this useful. As I said, you know what to do now. Do me a favor. Go to Ask the Experts on the app, post your question at me in it. And if it's a good one that I think, I can get a whole video's worth of content, I will dedicate one of these video, audio, podcast, little mini pieces of content to you. I'll see you next time.